My name's Andrew DeBoni. Our home property is Burnell Downs. We're 30 kilometres east of Capella, and it is a combined cropping and cattle property. We attended a DAF workshop in Claremont on the Drought Resilience Program, and then we proceeded to put a farm business plan on paper. And once we had completed that, our next step was to complete our application for the Farm Resilience Program online. After a few weeks, we received word that we had been successful, so of course we were very, very happy. The DAF course incorporated the workplace health and safety, and that helped us look at things from a different perspective. Some of the other changes we've sort of implemented in regards to, our business plan and funding, we've put in like a silage pit. So now we've been able to store more grain, which is great, and it gives us peace of mind. So the cover crop trial, we also sort of incorporated, I suppose, in our goals to make the property more sustainable. Our intentions were mainly to keep a beautiful coverage on our bare soil, so we want ground cover, plus we want to retain moisture, which is a goal in everything we do here. And a big thing is those two things there must enhance the following grain crop. The great thing with the Farm Resilience Grant, this has helped us bring forward those plans to a higher standard than we might have if we didn't have that grant. The amount of time we put into obtaining the grant was fairly minor compared to what you can achieve with that. Our experience with QRIDA and DAF was excellent. Every phone call is always answered. That's what we really like.